Come on, guys, take another piece.
Kiss my ass.
Throw on $5 or what?
$5.
After you eat that, wash your hands quickly because the oil off that thing. If you go to use the bathroom later, you'll wish.
All right, we got this on camera now.
Go ahead.
Did you make food with it?
Wow.
What's that milk?
Where's that film?
Are you breathing, Ruben?
Huh?
It's
not intense yet, dude. It's not intense yet. Oh my god.
Right there, Josh. Hey, Josh, no, take one for your sinuses. Clear a second right out.
Want a drink? Ready?
Right there's the rest of it. Anybody wants it? Tell me if they can I'm mad.
That's bad.
Take another bite, Ruben.
Hell no.
You said whole pepper, Ruben.
Burns on the sides and the bottom. Damn.
I'm always getting worse.
Soda cracker. What's the soda cracker gonna do?
Need cinnamon.
It's only getting worse.
I'll keep eating it then.
Oh.
Outside. Josh got a little bit of blood sugar upper lip. What? Got a little bit of blood
It's what for, gosh.
Hey, you guys are heating up this room in here.
Oh my god. Yeah, I got the shirt on. I don't got it.
Come on, Burger.
Josh is
I ain't eating
fine.
that shit.
Yeah, why are you tasting?
Did you get that out the camera?
Damn, that shit's beating off in there.
Can't sit still. Anything to say?
No. Stings. Can't feel my tongue right now. Like I literally can't feel my tongue.
Just from that little piece, huh?
Oh. Oh! Oh god! It's like fucking, it just like gradually gets worse, and your fucking tongue's just like.
How safe do you like survive?
Like I think he's holding it in. He's gonna be fucking back there and target line with the cameras off. He's like, motherfucker!
I'll buy you a pop.
A pop? Yeah, that really spice things up.
I got you Subway Tuesday. Mike's got you. I got you Friday. Mike's got you Monday. I'll get you Tuesday. I'll get you some.
How big of a bite is it taking?
Round two.
I think that's bigger than the last piece was, dude.
It is.
Chew it up.
I did chew it up. I showed you.
I want to see you chew it.
All right, everyone get
Do
the
it like
camera
12
dirty.
times, dude. That's what he's doing.
I want to see you chew it.
Anybody else? You know, take
Just
your-
you. Get it, Bean Dip.
There you go.
Chew it on both sides of the mouth, dude.
Swirl it around a little bit.
Nasty ass taste to it, dude.
Still,
Quarter gallon milk, man. That's just got a nasty taste to it. Ugh. out the bucket.
Hey, go in the bathroom, bitch. Chase him.
Ugh.
How bad is it?
Fuck.
You're a maniac, dude.
Ugh.
You're the man.
What time is it, dude?
I don't even know.
I need some.
Want the milk? Want to get you the milk?
That's worth more than any sandwich or pop you're gonna buy in here, buddy. Dude.
I gotta get that taste out about that. That's a nasty ass fucking
You leave Joshua James with Hernandez Jr. on Rufus Fish alone. You hear me?
I just gotta pace a little bit like I did last time.
Oh, his lips are fire engine red. Aren't they?
Hey,
Stop
cars with
more?
fuckers.
No more. Hell no.
Hey,
No
no.
mas.
Hey, Burger, he really likes burger.
He was in here. He says no way.
He brought everybody.
I'm
Take
taking.
the rest- hey,
I'm gonna grow me some.
Take the rest of it in there and wipe it all over the toilet seat.
I'll take it around some of the bottle. Drinking last.
Oh God!
After the first one, there ain't no way I would have done the second.
Shit! A muffin and a water.
That was the worst
What Beck's gonna do for a bottle of water tomorrow?
Send that to my phone.
It'll be on the internet.
What's that?